Hi there, this is David. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you guys are. So on this video, I will go ahead and train you and teach you on how we can easily manage filling out property information lead sheet. So before we were then using some third-party application for us to fill out a PDF form, which really take quite some time. Filling out an information lead sheet using like Lumen or let's say this app, it's called DocHub. It's taking us like 10 to 15 minutes to kind of fill it out because you'd have to manually enter everything, like click on a specific area and then type it in. It's taking really quite some time, so we found a way on how we can better manage and fill out property information lead sheet via the use of Jotform. So basically, a Jotform is another website which is for free. You can purchase that one, but we have been using this one for free. It will allow you to fill out PDF form in such a way that you just simply have to seamlessly type all the information in one specific sheet that you'd have to create, and I'll go ahead and teach you that. Alright, first things first, create your Jotform account, which I already have. Very self-explanatory because you just have to type in your email address, create your user login, that's it. Alright, next, all you have to do now, second, is to download your property information lead sheet in your computer, because you'd have to download the PDF file in your computer. Next step, upload it over to Jotform. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that property information lead sheet into my computer, and then next I will go to my Jotform and pretending that I have not created anything just yet. I already have created one. Here it is. I'll go ahead and hit create form. So create a form, all questions in one page. Create a form. And then from here, you would be asked if you wanted to start with a blank form, use a template, or import a form. I suggest go ahead and hit import form because you'd have to upload your files, and this will start to get kind of a little bit confusing when it comes to uploading files, but I'll teach you some things later on. So you import PDF form, continue. Remember, I've downloaded it over to my computer. Okay, and then here it goes. It will allow me to upload my PDF form. Here it is, property information lead sheet. Hit open. It's now uploading. Okay, it's taking quite some time. Uploading. Okay, now once you're done uploading your file, it will actually the Jotform will automatically read all the questions that needs to be filled out in the property information lead sheet. That's one feature that Jotform really is very good. So see, they actually have created your own questions right here. You need not to change anything anymore. Okay, so once you are done with this, because basically on your left side, that's where your questionnaire is. On the right side, that's the original PDF file. I think right here you should be done because see, the date is already specified here. It's just really a matter of mapping and making sure that everything is properly connected to its right questionnaire. So see, every time I click on something here on the left side, it automatically points out where your answers would be pre-filled. Okay? Alright. Now, once you're sure that everything has already been properly mapped over or linked over to the correct questionnaire in the property information lead sheet, all you have to do is hit settings. Alright, now after hitting settings, you'd be asked to write in the title of the form. Let's put in property information lead sheet, and then go ahead and hit publish, and then open a new tab. That actually will make you that means you already have saved everything in your Jotform account. Now let's try doing one form. All right, so here, this is what I have created today. So there you go. Click this one, hit edit form, and then hit on preview form. This one right here. Start filling. There you go. Now you'd be asked to put in all the information that you need. Let's say today's date is 02/20. Let's say today is the 22nd, 2020. Okay. Once you're done filling everything out, the next part is you would be asked to, the next page would be to send it in your email. Send PDF as email, pretending that I already have fill out a form. So I will be sending it over to my email. There you go. That I already have sent that email to my email, or let's say I want to download it as a PDF file. Let's see it. I have downloaded it as a PDF file. There you go. This is the one. See, let's pretend that I filled out all the information, but here is an example on a sheet that has been filled out. So there you go. You can just simply download it and send it over to your associate. If there's any question, please let me know. Have a great day.